Hey, it's Haywood once again coming to you guys with another wisdom conversation, an intellectual conversation about this picture you're looking at right here is not how big the house is, it's how happy the home is. And this is so true. I know a lot of people, and you may be one of the people I'm talking about. You live in giant houses, mansions, huge homes, beautiful homes, and the home beautiful houses. But inside your house is where the home is built. So the home is a wreck, and it may be you may be the cause of it. Your wife may be the cause of it, husband, children, things like that. And that's a big issue all over the world. It's just not here in America. It's everywhere. I know some people think, oh, we have this wonderful house and blah blah blah. But no, you make the house a home. We as people make the house a home. So I'll go back to my background. When I grew up in the projects, low income, we just didn't have a lot. But the good part about where we lived is it was a home because my mom and dad made it a home. Okay, my sisters, we made it a home. They was great to us. They was kind, and they taught us how to treat people. And of course, everybody had their flaws. Okay, things didn't go perfect. I'm not saying it was perfect, but we had an actual home because we all worked together to build a home. And then I'll share with you a personal story. Yeah, I never forget. Because I grew up, we didn't have that much. So I befriended a kid, and I went to his house. They had a huge house. It was better than what we had, and I really was blown away by it. But it's not like, man, your house is huge. You got all these toys and everything. And the crazy part about it is he looked at me and said, man, I wish I didn't live here. I'm not happy here. And it's the time I'm 11 years old. I'm like, wow, I'm looking at him like maybe I'm thinking different. I guess maybe because my background, a kid that lived in some bricks, the projects, you still got roaches, rats, and stuff like that running around. Made the best of it. And this kid who lived in the other side of town, and his parents, they treated me just like my parents. But see, I don't know what was going on inside that home, that inside the house when I was not there. See, that's the issue. You see, a lot of people they go back to the house and they're inside the house and they're creating all kind of havoc for their family members. And there's a lot of issues there that come with that. You have people on drugs, people that's abusive, verbal abusive, physically abusive. Maybe the husband beating on the wife, or the wife is verbally abusive to the husband. You see, and it's just driving everybody apart. So that's very important. I wish people understood it. It's not how big the house is, it's how happy the home is. Home is us. Home is what we make it as humans. The house can be anything. It can be a shack, and everybody can be inside of it because it's a home and be happy as ever. And then you have a lot of people I know have plenty of money, have big houses, but they are depressed, sad, and wind up committing suicide. Now you will wonder, like, why is that? You have all this stuff because money doesn't make you happy. A big house not going to make you happy, but the right people and the right people around you and keeping the right mindset and being thankful, that can help prolong your life because it'll bring happiness into it. Okay, so hopefully this helped. Just a little conversation between you and the guys. And if you guys have any thoughts you want to share with me, anything, just hit the comments and write them because I believe it's important. Remember, money can buy the big house, but you can make the home. Okay, and so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that bell. You'll get notification of all new videos coming up, new videos uploaded. And I appreciate you guys listening. Hit the comments if you want to chime in. And you guys have a great one. I'll talk to you later.